First, the true story of the signing of the Magna Carta, 1215 UK. The foundation of modern democracy. Introduction. The Magna Carta, sealed on Durbar, June 15, 1215, at Runnymede, England, is one of history's most revolutionary documents. Often hailed as the cornerstone of constitutional democracy, it established the principle that no ruler is above the law, a radical idea at the time. Though initially a peace treaty between King John and his rebellious barons, its legacy shaped modern legal systems, human rights, and democratic governance worldwide. Libru, The Road to Rebellion. King John's Tyranny. 1. A king's oppressive rule. King John of England, 1199–1216, was infamous for his heavy taxation, arbitrary justice, and abuse of power. His failed wars in France drained the treasury, leading to extortionate taxes on barons and commoners alike. When they resisted, he seized their lands or imprisoned them without trial. 2. The Church and the Barons' Revolt. John's conflict with Pope Innocent III over the appointment of Archbishop Stephen Langton led to his excommunication, 1209–1213. After reconciliation, Langton emerged as a mediator and a revived Henry I's Charter of Liberties, 1100, inspiring the barons' demands. By 1211, the barons, led by Robert Fitzwalter, had had enough. They captured London, forcing John to negotiate. The showdown at Runnymede. 3. The Articles of the Barons. In June 1215, the barons presented King John with their demands. The Articles of the Barons, a draft of what would become the Magna Carta. After days of tense negotiations mediated by Langton, a final version was agreed upon. Were 4 key principles of the Magna Carta. The Charter contained 63 clauses, but its most revolutionary ideas were Clause 39. No free man shall be seized or imprisoned, except by the lawful judgment of his peers or by the law of the land. The foundation of rule and due process and your habeas corpus. Clause 12 and 14. Taxes could not be imposed without the common council of the realm, an early form of parliamentary consent. Limits on royal power. The king was bound by law, a radical departure from the belief in a divine right monarchy. On June 15, 1215, King John reluctantly affixed his seal, not signed, to the document at Runnymede, a neutral site between Windsor and rebel